Why should I choose BONOSS wheel spacers?
The most significant difference between the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers before and after is the increased inner wheel clearance. Installing 2023 Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers is also an effective way to keep tires from bumping the aftermarket shock absorbers. At this point, you can change the offset by adding wheel spacers with the corresponding thickness. Lower wheel offset helps install bigger brake calipers or covers safely and properly. This enlarges the selection of aftermarket brake kits. So, if you plan to add larger suspension parts to improve the whole off-roading experience, these 2023 Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers will be very useful.
We use forged aluminum alloy 6061T6 material. Modern CNC machining by 0.02 mm tolerance. The multi-stage half-centric design fits a wheel hub better. Meanwhile, the matching wheel studs adhere to ISO standards grade 12.9 and ISO standard grade 10 lug nuts. For more information, please see the link down on the description. See you next time. Bye bye.